Armstrong 1920A. Need to remove it. And these are a little different than normal tiles, because they kind of drop down below the grid. So there's one side has a deeper groove than this side. You just got to push up on it. And kind of work it until you can figure out. There it is right there. And then it drops out. So you can see that groove is a little shallow. And then this one has an extra notch in it. So you slide it into that notch and then it drops out. Alright. Armstrong 1920. You got a short groove or normal groove on this end, and then a deeper one on that end. Put the deeper groove on that track first. And then kind of slide it back till it's flush, and then push the other end up so that it's in all the way, and then slide it forward. And then let go. That's it. Armstrong 1920A.